In this video, you're going to learn how to configure the iQoS function in Hillstone firewall. The iQoS function is intelligent quality of service. It's used to provide different priorities to different traffic in order to control the delay and flapping and decrease the packet loss rate. It can ensure the normal transmission of critical business traffic when the network is overloaded or congested. The function is controlled by license. To use it, install the iQoS license first. Let's take a look at the detailed configurations. The function is in policy and then iQoS. After installing the license, the function is enabled by default. This function is based on paths. You can see the default path by default, which means all the traffic would go to the default path. Now, if you want to control some traffic, the first step is to classify the traffics. So in this case, for example, we want to control the HTTP download speed to limit it to 800 kbps. We need to create a new path first. Click New and then HTTP. The very important part for the configuration is condition. In our case, we would set the source zone to trust and destination zone to untrust and the service HTTP. You can select them all. That's our matching condition, and no need to configure the whitelist in our case. And action. We want to limit the download speed to 800 kbps. And backward. Notice that the unit here is kbit per second. Click OK. Now let's have a test. Disable it first and see how many download speed we could get here. Let's download the iTunes installation package for the test. It's kind of very high speed. So now let's enable the iQoS policy we just created. Because the unit here is byte, so it should be 100 kbyte per second in the browser. And it is around 100 kbyte per second. Now let's disable again. You can see the download speed increased. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please visit kb.hillstonenet.com for more details in the document library.